Dr. Sudhir Khetawat is one of India's most respected pioneers of holistic medicine, whose life journey reflects dedication, compassion, and innovation in alternative healing. With over 4 decades of experience, he has devoted himself to acupressure, hypnotherapy, yoga therapy, and mind based natural healing systems. In 1971, Dr. Khetawat laid the foundation of his life's mission by establishing the Institute of Holistic Medicine in Indore. At a time when alternative therapies were not widely accepted, he emerged as a visionary who believed in healing through the power of the inner mind. Through this institute, thousands of patients found relief and countless individuals were trained in holistic practices. Dr. Khetawat is the author of more than 60 books on alternative therapies and has actively participated in national and international conferences, spreading awareness about natural and non invasive healing methods. His research and practical work led to the development of the unique and result oriented three finger technique, which has shown remarkable outcomes even in cases considered incurable by conventional medicine. Several medical doctors have documented patient relief achieved through his therapies. His achievements have received national recognition. He was honored by former President of India Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for developing the world's smallest rose measuring zero point 0.4 centimeters, a rare scientific and botanical accomplishment. His name is recorded in the Golden Book of World Records and the Limca Book of Records. He has also received the National Bird Angel Award for saving over 6,000 peacocks and the prestigious Padma Shri R.N. Ajutshi Memorial Award presented by Shri Mukesh Ambani. For his excellence in yoga therapy, he was conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award by Swami Baba Ramdev. Beyond medicine, Dr. Khetawat's life is marked by service to society, animals, and the environment. He rendered honorary services to Indian Army personnel at MHO for over 15 years, conducted hundreds of health awareness seminars for students, and played a crucial role in wildlife protection, animal welfare, and environmental conservation. Dr. Sudhir Khetawat's life is not just a story of achievements, but a legacy of healing, humanity, and hope, an inspiration that continues to guide future generations toward holistic living. We welcome you, sir.